So I'm here at Schuler's house before we kick off this episode of Blues and Brews. Yo, Schuler, appears your collection is growing. You want to take us through it?
Yeah, it's gotten a little bit bigger since last time you were here filming. Not a whole lot. I mean, just I really like I'm going for a lot of like quantity right now. Trying to build up my collection. So I like to buy a lot of things like these. Like this
Oh yeah.
Dragonheart 4-movie collection, or like what did I just get to the other day?
That one looks familiar.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This Leprechaun 7-film collection. Things like that.
Oh yeah.
I like collecting. When it's just like a big collection of movies.
Variety.
Yeah, variety. Yeah, for sure.
Collection packs.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that's about it for now. It's getting pretty full. I don't have a lot of room left, but I already have my eye on a shelf I'm gonna get after this. So.
Any new Blu-rays?
Few, like some of my. Picked up this slipcover Princess Mononoke, really, really awesome movie. I haven't got any new steals. I got what have I gotten? Prometheus I just picked up. Independence Day 1 and 2. 2-film collection, things like that. Once again, just having 2 movies in one.
What'd you think about the second one?
Actually, I haven't seen it yet.
No.
Nope.
Should get on that.
Yeah.
Let's get this Blues and Brews started, shall we? Alright, for tonight's Blues and Brews, we will be watching Class of 1999 while enjoying The Train I Ride Triple IPA by Clown Shoes. Now, as for the movie, Class of 1999, it's a pretty cool science fiction, semi-horror type of movie. I don't know if you've seen it before, Mace.
I haven't seen it.
No, well, it kind of reminds me of The Faculty, but with kind of like robots. I don't want to give too much away right now, but it's a futuristic style of movie. It takes place in a high school. And of course there's gangs and a lot of cool stuff along the way. And well, this is one of the most recent ones I got on Vestron. So hopefully you enjoy this one. Got my trusty Clown Shoes bottle cap opener that I only use for Clown Shoes. Of course, I got my Clown Shoes glass. It's been a while since I've poured a beer. Haven't done a Blues and Brews in a while. Yeah, that's a good color so far. Get that head? A little bit of head. So this is The Train I Ride, Triple IPA. See how it is. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Oh.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yeah.
Wow, dude, that's.
This one's flavorful.
It is flavorful. It's a little bit harsh. It's not super smooth. But
it's a little rough.
Yeah,
it's nothing major.
There's a lot of citrus in there.
This is a good one. It's gonna go good with the movie.
Mm-hmm. Oh, man, look.
The year is 1999. The gang-controlled areas have become known as free fire zones. Kennedy High is located in the middle of a free fire zone. The police will not enter. There is no law. The Department of Educational Defense has been formed to reopen the schools and control the gangs.
Anybody ever tell you you got a bad attitude, boy?
How you enjoying this movie, man?
I like it, man. It's real cool. It's really in that like cyberpunk genre.
Yeah.
And I like that a lot, man. I like that whole cyberpunk feel to movies and stuff, especially like, in the 80s, they really thought 1999 was gonna be this way, So it's cool, man. I like it.
I like movies like this where they have the gangs dressed badass.
Yeah.
We were talking about the Lost Boys earlier. That's one of them.
Right.
Where they dress real 80s rocker.
Yeah.
Kind of. Yeah. Yeah. This movie has a bunch of pretty cool actors. That little kid, he's from Near Dark. I don't know if you've seen that one.
I don't think I have.
Came out around the same time as Lost Boys. Another vampire type of gang movie with Bill Paxton.
Okay.
But That one's pretty original because it's like they're like cowboy vampires, and they don't fly, they don't have fangs, but they drink blood. And the little kid, I think he's like the oldest one of all.
Right.
But, and then what's his name from Millennium? He fought in the Civil War. They asked him, "Yo, Jesse, how old are you?" And he goes, "Let's just say I fought for the South. We lost." But yeah, and then well, Malcolm McDowell plays the principal, and well, he's from Clockwork Orange, which is
Yeah.
another gang movie, another futuristic gang movie
Right.
from the 70s,
Right.
where there's no law. Let's see who else comes out. One of the teachers that's a robot. He comes out in this movie called It's Alive, where him and his wife, they have a baby, and it's a monster.
Right.
And it kills everybody. That's one of the ones I found at Blockbuster.
Okay, yeah.
And well, yeah, man, this movie has a pretty cool cast.
Yeah.
Any thoughts on the beer?
No, the beer's great, man. It's a really, really good IPA, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's what was it, like 10 or 11%? I think 11, right?
I want to say 10.
Yeah, and I mean it's great, man.
Yeah, it's a pretty good brew. So we paused the movie real quick. We finished the train out ride. Now we're gonna open up this one called Beast from the East. It is an imperial stout aged in bourbon barrels with Vietnamese coffee. Sounds tasty. We're about to give it a try. What the fuck? Cheers, man.
Oh wow, dude.
Very chocolatey.
Yeah, it's super chocolatey, but you taste the coffee a lot too.
Just a hint.
Yeah.
I'm not getting it yet. Just,
I'm getting some
just
coffee,
pure
yeah.
chocolate.
Yeah, I taste that coffee a lot. It's delicious though. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't think you were gonna like this one or any. I was trying not to bring stouts because I know you don't like stouts.
I mean, I don't hate stouts. But,
Yeah.
But no, I like these really tasty ones like this, man.
Yeah, this was pretty good. Yo, Shu. Would you say Terminator inspired or very clearly ripped off?
No, I mean, it's not exactly the same, you know, like, it's still, Terminator was like a completely different genre, you know, like, that was like a sort of like alternate future kind of, you know, post-apocalyptic kind of, you know, movie. This is more like I wouldn't call this post-apocalyptic, I would call this like cyberpunk, you know, almost like a sci-fi horror, like a sci-fi drama, you know. I wouldn't say that it's the same as Terminator. I think those two movies can kind of, you know, be separate.
I was talking more along the lines of the robot, mechanical aspect.
Oh
of,
yeah, no, true, yeah, no, right on.
Of the
This is
teachers.
probably- yeah, it's probably definitely.
Cause you could tell they got their
Yeah,
inspiration
the
from.
producers and
yeah.
you could tell that they definitely like.
They
were
got their
inspired
ideas,
by,
yeah.
By Terminator for sure.
Yeah. So we just finished watching Class of 1999 on Blu-ray, the Vestron release. Your opinions?
I thought it was great, dude. I can't believe like I hadn't watched it before. I can't believe that like I let this one pass me up. I'm a big fan of cyberpunk, all that kind of stuff, you know. And I can't believe that I had never seen this one before, but I really, really, really liked it, man. I thought it was really well done. That kind of like, you know, quality and like essence of that, like, you know, like futuristic, like cyberpunk spirit, like coming from like an 80s movie. That's great, man. Like it's such a cool movie, dude.
Now, you did have this movie before, but as part of this horror collection, pretty cool that out of all these collections, the Volume 1 and Volume 2, that the majority of these are getting released on Vestron. The very first one was Chopping Mall,
Right.
and then Blood Diner, and eventually Parents got released, Vestron, Waxwork 1 and 2, then Holy, Chud 2, and then most recently Slaughter High and Class of 1999. Kind of makes you wonder what else from these two collections are going to get released
It also
on
makes you wonder, like,
Vestron.
it also makes you wonder, like, who put these together. You know, someone who's like, you know, obviously they know, you know, they know really good quality, like horror and slasher and cyberpunk flicks, and like the dudes that are doing Vestron are obviously fans of like all of these movies. You know.
I think it has to do with underrated
Right.
movies that just got overlooked somehow.
Exactly.
But these are top choices, and I'm glad Vestron is taking the time to
absolutely.
release and remaster these,
Absolutely.
especially on Blu-ray. This concludes this Blues and Brews episode. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button. Look for me on social media. Links will be in the description. And please check out my latest Tuesday's Finds video. And I'll see you guys next time.